What's up again, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we're gonna make a cold brew and almond milk latte. So I'm using Caffé Verona coffee, which I bought from Starbucks. So first, open the lid of the coffee grinder and then put 4 tablespoons of coffee beans. So grind the beans in medium coarse for our cold brew. So while you're grinding the beans, you can smell the aroma coming from it. And it smells so good. And now we're done, so I'll show you what it's looked like. So Starbucks made this coffee for Shuttle's restaurant in 1975, naming it Jake's Blend. So when people began to love the coffee, they officially named it Verona, which is the name of the city. And this is the taste notes when you compare it to Sagada coffee. So to start your cold brew, get a jar and put 2 tablespoons of coffee in it. I put 2 tablespoons of coffee because I personally love strong coffee. So the quantity of this jar is 240 ml. So next, we add water and make sure it is filtered water. And now, this is how it looks like in the jar. So make sure you leave a space on the top of the jar. And stir your cold brew to fully soak the coffee beans in the filtered water. And now, after that, you can close the lid and store it in the refrigerator.
"2,000 years later."
So after 24 hours, our cold brew is now ready. Now I use coffee filter for my cold brew and I use almond milk for my latte. So next, I will show you how to make a cold brew latte. So we put ice on the glass and make sure it is full of ice. And then we put 120 ml of cold brew coffee. So next, we put almond milk from Blue Diamond brand and pour it all over our cold brew. Now, this is how I make homemade cold brew latte using a almond milk and Verona coffee from Starbucks. And now you can like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the notification bell for more updates. Thank you.